Hey, so I'm going to show you how to do FOIL in two different ways. The first way is just drawing an arrow. So we're going to start with this first group right here. First group right here. So we're going to start with the first term, which is 2x. And we're going to multiply it times each term in the second group of parentheses. So 2x times 3x, the 2 times 3 gives us 6x squared. 2 x's and 2 times 3 is 6. Then we're going to go to the next one. 2x times positive 1. 2x times positive 1 gives us plus 2x. Now we're going to move over to the next number in the term. So we're going to circle this negative 5. Very important that we include the symbol in front of it and multiply it times the term in the other parenthesis. So negative 5 times positive 3 gives us a 15. And it's going to be negative because a negative times a positive is a negative. And then we have our x. Then we do the negative 5 times a positive 1. And that gives you a negative 5. Once we've done all the multiplication, the last step is to combine like terms. So we can see that the only pair of like terms here are 2x and the minus 15x. So when we're combining the positive and the negative, we know that our outcome, since we're adding, is going to be negative because we have more negatives than the positives. So since we have 13 more negatives than we do positives, that means that we're going to get minus 13x and then bring down the negative 5. So this is our final answer right here. So again, we take each term in the first one and multiply it times what's going on in the other parentheses. Okay? You're always multiplying times the other group, not within the same one. I'm going to show you another way. It's called the box method. So how we set the box method up is we're going to make a box. 4. So we're going to use this first group right here, and we're going to write each term in a different box. So we get 2x and then minus 5. Again, make sure that you pay attention to the sign. The next one, I'll put pink in there, is 3x and then plus 1. Now that we've set it up, now we're going to multiply just like a multiplication table. So 3x times 2x gives us 6x squared. 3x times negative 5 gives us negative 15x. Positive 1 times positive 2x gives us 2x. And 1 times negative 5 gives us negative 5. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms because they're both x's. So negative 15 and the 2 gives us the negative 13x. So our final answer is going to be 6x squared minus 13x and then that minus 5. Sorry it's so sloppy, but hopefully one of those methods helps. I don't understand why Dad did that.